In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Canva, whether you're creating a presentation, designing a social media post, or working on an invitation. Understanding how to add and customize text effectively can make your design truly stand out. Text is one of the most powerful design elements. It conveys your message, sets the tone, and adds personality to your work. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you haven't already, open an existing project or start a new one by choosing from Canva's wide range of templates designed for any occasion. Once your design is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find a menu filled with design tools. From there, click on the text option. The text panel gives you access to multiple text types, headings, subheadings, and body text. You can use these presets for quick formatting, or if you prefer more control, select the Add a Text Box option. Once you click it, a new text box will appear on your design canvas, ready for you to type in. Simply click inside the box and begin writing whatever you need, whether it's a title, a quote, a caption, or a short description. Now comes the fun part, customizing your text. You'll notice a toolbar appear above your design once your text box is selected. From here, you can adjust the font style, size, color, and alignment, or even add stylistic effects like shadows, outlines, and highlights. Canva offers hundreds of fonts, so experiment with different combinations to find one that complements your overall theme. For instance, bold fonts work great for headlines, while elegant or handwritten fonts are perfect for creative designs. To keep your design visually balanced, pay attention to spacing. You can fine-tune line height and letter spacing to improve readability and ensure that your text aligns harmoniously with other elements. Canva also allows you to move the text box freely. Just click and drag it to the perfect position. If you need precise placement, use Canva's Smart Alignment Guides, which appear automatically to help you keep everything symmetrical. For an added touch, consider pairing your text with shapes, icons, or background elements. These small details can make your design feel more dynamic and professional. You can even duplicate text boxes to maintain consistent formatting across multiple sections. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a text box in Canva. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.